Welcome friends, all of you, to Onyx Global. In today's video friends, nowadays everyone dreams of having a good house, a good car, foreign travel, time and respect in society, but taking just 2 minutes of your time. If your answer is no, then you need to rethink, because it is only possible when you get a good business. So friends, today we are bringing you the best business opportunity in which all your dreams will be fulfilled. It is an international luxury tour provider program where you are provided with the most exclusive travel experiences. Talking about friends, the mission and vision is to build the Onyx global community and create a strong global platform. You can subscribe. This entire program will be fully automated and highly secure. So friends, without taking much time, let's talk about the tour packages. Here friends, you can take Thailand, Hong Kong, Maldives, Sri Lanka, Singapore and Malaysia tour packages. Talking about joining packages, friends, here you can take a membership for $36.5, which gives you a lifetime discount, no expiry, and a business opportunity. Talking about distribution, friends, here there's 100% distribution, meaning your membership of $36.5 will have 100% distribution. Direct referral gets $4.5, affiliate income is $2, club income is $12, matching income and other incomes are included. Now talking about the types of income, friends, here you get direct referral income, affiliate income, club income, upgrade income, champion club income, matching income, CMD club income, weekly rewards, and income from the global pool. You can also enroll your friends. If you refer someone to join, you get $4.5 income from every direct referral. And yes friends, here you can refer unlimited people directly. Now talking about affiliate income, the biggest thing here is that you get income from a 20 LEVEL generation team. As mentioned before, you get $4.5 as direct referral income on first level, $0.4 on second level, and $0.2 on the third level. With every direct joining, 2 levels are unlocked, and to earn income from all 20 levels, you need to complete 10 direct referrals. Now talking about the club structure, friends, as members join, the placement is done from top to bottom and left to right. As soon as 2 positions are filled, you get entry into the bronze club. When 2 members are placed under each of those 2 members, a total of 6 members, you get entry into the silver club. When 2 members are placed under each of those 4 members, top to bottom, left to right, you get entry into the gold club, whose details, friends, we will share now. Talking about club income, friends, in the bronze club, you have 2 members in your downline. The upgrade amount here is $12, which comes from the $36.5 ID, and your income here is $24. The next club is the silver club, where you have 4 members in your downline. The upgrade amount is $14, and you get $56 income. Similarly friends, the next club is the gold club, where you have 8 members in your downline. The upgrade amount is $30, from which $6 goes to your sponsor, and your income here becomes $240. After upgrading these 3 clubs, a yellow button appears called the Smart Pool. This pool is a global auto pool, and this button appears only after completing the upgrades of all 3 clubs. We will learn more about this income in detail later. Now talking about the Platinum Club, in the Platinum Club you have 16 members in your downline. The upgrade amount is $120, from which $24 goes to your sponsor, and your income here becomes $1,536. After upgrading 4 clubs, friends, a yellow button appears in front of you for the advanced pool, which has an entry amount of $50. This is also a global auto pool. Friends, by completing a team of 30 members and upgrading 4 clubs, you receive bronze club income, $24 silver club income, $56 gold club income, $240 platinum club income, $1,536 in total. Friends, your income from these 4 clubs exceeds $2,000. First friends, when an ID comes here, its amount is held, which means you have to upgrade manually. After upgrading, you can withdraw that income. After the Diamond Club, friends, income starts coming very fast, because in the Diamond Club, your 2 positions receive $480 and $480 immediately. Now talking about the Diamond Club, in the Diamond Club, you have a team of 32 members in your downline. The upgrade amount is $480, from which $96 goes to your sponsor, and your income here becomes $12,288. Crowned inside the Elite Club, Your downline consists of 128 members. The upgrade amount here is $1,920, from which $384 goes to your sponsor, and your income here becomes $1,96,608. In the Royal Club, your downline consists of 256 members. Now let's talk about upgrade income, friends. If any direct member you referred upgrades their club, then you will also receive income from it. For example, on the Platinum Club upgrade, you get $24. That means if your direct referral upgrades their club for $120, you earn $24 as upgrade income. In the Diamond Club, you get $96 income on a $480 upgrade. In the Crown Club, you get $192 income on a $960 upgrade. In the Elite Club, you get $384 income on a $1,920 upgrade. And in the Royal Club, you receive up to $768 income on a $3,840 upgrade. In total, you can easily earn $1,482 as upgrade income here. Now let's talk about the Champions Club. Friends, the Champions Club works as a booster because it speeds up your club income. If any member is in the Champions Club, then, and friends, in the Champions Club, $3 from every 36.5 US dollars ID goes into the Champions Club fund. The fund accumulates from the 1st to the 30th of every month, and on the last day of the month, the closing takes place. After that, the entire fund is distributed among the qualified Champions Club members. To become a member of the Champions Club, you need to complete 30 direct referrals with 45 days of your ID activation. So friends, once you complete this target, you become a member of the Champions Club. That means, friends, when 30 direct IDS are completed, you become a member of the Champions Club. In the future, friends, 1000 IDS may join the Champions Club in a day, and 1 million IDS may join in a month. You can calculate how large the fund will become, and the members who are part of the Champions Club will receive their share accordingly. Friends, in the initial stage, you can easily earn $500 to $700 from the Champions Club, and in the future, this may increase to $4,000 to $5,000 just from the Champions Club. So friends, now let's talk about matching income. Here, your first pair is matched in a 2-to-1 ratio, and after that, all pairs are matched in a 1-to-1 ratio. For every matched pair, you earn $2. Your matching income has a daily capping of $50. So, if a member activates only at 36.5 US dollars ID, their matching income capping will be $50 per day. If within 7 days of activating the 36.5 US dollars ID, you upgrade your 4 clubs, meaning you upgrade your ID up to $201 US, then your daily matching income capping becomes $100 US. Now friends, let's talk about CMD Club income. This fund accumulates throughout the entire month. Whatever fund is collected can be seen by every member in their ID dashboard. On the last day of every month, the closing takes place, and the entire fund is equally distributed among all CMD Club achievers. To become a member of the CMD Club, you need to complete 50 IDS on both your left and right sides with 36.5 US dollars IDS. Becoming a CMD Club member means you can earn $1,000 US, $2,000 US, $4,000 US, and even more, depending on the growth of the system. Now friends, let's talk about the weekly reward. From every 36.5 US dollars ID, $2 US goes into the weekly reward fund. This fund accumulates from Sunday to Saturday night. Members who have 3 direct IDS receive an equal share of this fund every Sunday. From here, you can easily earn $40 US, $50 US, or $60 US as weekly income. Friends, members who have 3 direct IDS can easily earn up to 30,000 rupees per month through the weekly reward. Now friends, let's talk about global pool income. To enter the global pool, you first need to activate 3 clubs, after which the smart pool button will appear. When you activate it for $25 US, $5 US goes to your sponsor, and $20 US goes into the global pool. In this global pool, you receive 2 global downline members. After these 2 members join, you receive $15 US income, while $25 US is distributed among your 5 upline levels. Now friends, let's talk about the advanced pool income. The advanced pool has an entry amount of $30 US, where $10 US goes to the direct sponsor. When 2 global downline members join, you receive $30 US income. With 4 members, you receive $30 US income. With 8 members, you receive $80 US income. With 16 members, the income continues according to the plan. With 32 members, you receive $320 US. with 64 members, you receive 960 US dollars. In total, friends, you can earn 1,570 US dollars from the advanced pool, the details of which are shown on the screen. Now, friends, let's talk about some terms and conditions. When you complete one direct referral, 2 levels are unlocked for you. By completing 10 direct referrals, you unlock all 20 levels. You can make a minimum withdrawal in multiples of 10 US dollars. Similarly, there are a few other terms and conditions as well. So friends, the contact numbers of our seniors and leaders are available in the description. You can contact them to get more information.